I'm going live on YouTube.
All right.
Going live on. All right, here we are.
You sure? Who would you like to see first?
It doesn't bother me either way.
All right, we'll start with Mr. Irwin.
All right.
All right. Mr. Irwin, I'll start with you. What'd I do this time?
Well, you got two new warrants according to what I'm looking at. A couple of warrants issued by Judge Wells of the 411th District Court.
For what?
Well, one is for continuous sexual abuse of a child or a disabled individual, felony in the first degree.
What the fuck?
I have no idea. And the other one is abandoning or endangering a child or elderly or disabled individual of state jail felony.
What the fuck is all that? That has to be made up.
I have no idea. The Judge Wells issued the warrants and they've been served on you. And so you have the right to hire an attorney to represent you. You have the right to have the attorney with you while you're being questioned by peace officers or attorneys that represent the state. You have the right to remain silent. You're not required to make a statement, and any statement you make can be used in court against you. And you have the right to stop talking at any time and the right to an examining trial if you've not been indicted on these cases. Do you understand the charges? I'm not asking if you agree with them, asking if you understand them.
No, I'd like for you to repeat them again.
Continuous sexual assault, sexual abuse of a young child or a disabled individual,
What the fuck? That's
and
weird.
abandoning or endangering a child, elderly, or disabled individual.
What the?
Okay.
That makes no sense to me.
I'm not asking you if you did it. I have no idea anything about it. All I know is those are the warrants that they have, and that's what it and so you need a court-appointed attorney. I'm assuming, right? Since you say you didn't do it.
Yeah, I did not do that.
Okay, and you're still a U.S. citizen. You haven't given up your citizenship, and you've been in jail long enough. You're not under indictment for anywhere else, right?
No, sir. I've been here 3 months. I've been trying to get a bond reduction from you.
Well, both these cases have no bond.
Man, what the?
I'll do some checking on them, but it's going to have to wait until next week because everything is closed for the holidays.
Because you had me in here on a $20,000 bond for.
I understand, and I'm just telling you that these have been. They didn't tell you about them. They showed
No,
some.
sir. They're just slapping new things on me the more I sit in here. I ain't even been out.
Well, if you haven't been out and done anything, then I'll be pretty easy to beat in court.
All right, yes, sir.
All right, that's it, Benjamin. You take care. Joseph McKeon.
Yes, sir.
I'm Judge Blanchette here in San Jacinto County. I'm a
Yes, sir.
judge. I'm here today to tell you that they have warrants on you
I didn't have no warrant.
for a sex offender duty you failed to register.
How does that work when I'm only supposed to register once a year and I register on my birthday every year and it's not been my birthday yet? So how does that work?
I'm not here to discuss these with you. I have no idea. You probably know more about it than I do.
I don't have no bond. I mean, I don't have no warrants though. I'm supposed to register on January 19th every year and that's when I registered last year and that's when I registered in. It's not January 19th yet. So how does that work? That's not real. That can't be real.
You have the right to hire an attorney to represent you. You have the right to have the attorney with you while you're being questioned by peace officers or attorneys that represent the state. You have the right to remain silent. You're not required to make a statement. Any statement you make can be used in court against you. You can stop making any statements or interviews at any time, and you have the right to an examining trial. Do you understand those rights?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, let me pull these warrants up.
It's not true. That's not even real, man. Huh. I registered every year like I'm supposed to. I've never missed that. It's bogus.
Okay, hang on, Joseph.
Yes, sir.
This offense, they filed an affidavit on August the 28th, and this warrant,
August the 28th.
let me get to, hang on.
I don't even know what this is about.
And they said they served it on you today. Today's November 27th.
They said, yeah, I didn't serve it on me. I got pulled over last night.
Yes, sir, you did, and you picked up an offense on that too. But I'm just telling you that they showed this warrant.
That's not real though. I don't even register until January.
You've
I don't
got,
understand.
all I can tell you is,
I don't understand, Mr. Blanchette. I don't register until January.
okay, hang on, let me.
And I've registered with my new address where I'm at already. I register every year, once a year.
I'm going to read you this. It says on August the 27th at approximately 3 o'clock, Deputy Tran was patrolling on FM 223 while in the area US 59 North and Farmer Market 223 when I observed a black truck with a modified exhaust turn on US 59 in front of the road at a high rate of speed. I followed the vehicle and advised the vehicle license plate and discovered that the vehicle's registration was expired. So I activated my marked vehicle emergency lights and the traffic stop. Upon approaching the vehicle, I identified the driver as Joseph McKeon, who immediately stated that he doesn't have a valid driver license. I asked McKeon the reason why he doesn't, and this is your PC affidavit on the drugs.
The drugs? I don't have no drug charges.
Hang on. I'm looking at a warrant that was issued on August the 28th for Joseph Caleb McKeon, date of birth 1/19 of 84. Is that you?
Yeah, that's when I'm supposed to register. It's on the 19th of 84. I mean, the 19th of every year, January. That's the only time I register, and I registered here last year, January.
I'm just telling you that there's a warrant. They
How
showed,
can there be a warrant though? They're just made up, Mr. Blanchett. I don't understand. It's made up. I don't register but one time a year.
I
I
didn't
register.
sign, I didn't sign the warrant. I didn't issue that warrant.
See, I don't understand. That's crazy. I don't understand that.
I,
So,
I don't have any idea. I'm just telling you,
and I
there's a,
haven't done anything I haven't done nothing to violate me neither. So I don't understand what they're doing here.
I have no idea. I'm just telling you, there's a warrant.
Well, if you didn't sign it and I don't know about it,
No,
how's that real?
Judge Webb in Point Blank signed it.
Judge Whitman, I don't even know who that is.
I know you don't. And then you picked up this for evading arrest or detention with a vehicle.
Yeah, because I didn't pull over immediately. I was looking for a spot driveway, a safe place to pull over, really. We was on
Yeah.
1127, there wasn't nothing but them deep ditches. So I just pulled over on the next road. And
We
that's
have
legal.
the same rights. Do you need a court appointed attorney on it?
Yes, sir.
All right.
I don't have no money. I don't have no money to bond out here. I don't have no money to get my truck back. I don't know. This is all made up. I don't have no warrant for no. That's not true, man. I register once a year on my birthday, and it ain't even my birthday yet. That's made up shit from Mr. Tran. Sorry, Mr. Blanchett. I know it's not you. I just don't know how I'm gonna get out of here.
I'm just
That's crazy.
that's something you'll have to argue, get your court appointed attorney and look at that.
That's crazy.
I'm just telling you, I'm gonna set your bond on the evading arrest at 5,000.
So $500.
whatever they are, yeah.
Damn it.
And the warrant
That's
was
not real.
even
That's not even a real warrant.
it looks like a real warrant. Now, whether it's any good or not, I don't know.
I mean, how can they do that? Just pick somebody out of the blue?
No, I don't think they did that.
I haven't been pulled over in August though. I never got pulled over in August.
I have no idea.
I
Hang
got
on.
pulled over in January. I did my overnight for my driver's license, and then I got out, and that's the last time I've been in trouble, any trouble, until today.
I'm gonna read this to you. Okay, hang
Yes, sir.
on. While knowing that he was required to register by under Chapter 62 of the Texas Code of Criminal Procedure because of a reportable conviction based upon sexual assault of a child, and while being a person from whom registration under Chapter 62 has been completed, failed to comply with requirements of Chapter 62 by failing to verify registration with a local law enforcement authority in the county where
That's
the
not true
defendant,
though.
let me
I'm
finish
sorry.
it.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
By failing to register with a local law enforcement authority in the county where the defendant resided or intended to reside for more than 7, namely San Jacinto County Sheriff's Office, and defendant did not verify registration by the 7th day of the defendant's arrival in said jurisdiction,
I
and the
have,
defendant did not set forth any allegations from that.
but I have registered here, sir. That's what I don't understand. I registered with the lady here. That's what I don't understand. I did register here.
I don't know.
And that's not true though. That's made up,
I'm
man.
just
That's so
telling
made
you.
up.
I'm just telling you.
I bet my address is, if you put me up on the registry,
I
my
don't pull
address
up
is gonna be
anything.
shifted.
All I do is tell you why you're in jail
I know, I
because
understand.
a
I've registered
probable
already.
cause affidavit was given to this other uh,
That's
judge,
not real.
and
That's not
she
real.
signed a warrant.
That's not real though, Mr. Blanchette. I've registered.
I,
I registered once a
I,
year.
I, I can't just sit there and go like, oh, well, let me dismiss this warrant because
Well, you should because
this
that's not
says it's
real.
not true.
That's not real. Okay, I'm sorry. That's not real.
I,
Some of you are stuck
I'm,
here.
well, that's something you need to argue with the judge that issued the warrant, not with me. I didn't issue the warrant.
I know, Mr. Blanchett. I'm confused. Really, I'm confused because
I understand you're
I
confused.
register once a year and I registered here. When I moved here in January, I registered here with the lady at the extension office. I registered again in January.
I'm just telling you what the judge issued a warrant. You'll have to visit with
That's
that
bullshit.
court to see. I'm there. She set your bond at 15,000 for that.
So $1,500, I need $2,000 to get out is what you're telling
Yeah,
me.
right.
God damn. Can you give me a bond reduction on that?
Do
It's not
what?
even real. That's not even real, man.
While you're there, why don't you, when you get out or while you're there, tell them that you want to talk to the person that you register with and see if they can tell you when the last time you registered.
I know
And
when the
let
last
them
time I
know.
registered was. My address is even the same on my driver's license. It matches my new registration. I just moved here in January.
I'm not saying you did or didn't. I'm just telling you, a judge read the probable cause affidavit, and based upon that, she issued a warrant. All I'm doing is telling you about the warrant.
Okay, Mr. Blanchett, can you give me a reduction in bond? Like I don't have.
I can't. She set the bond on her warrant. She
I don't
set
have
the
any
bond.
money.
I can't change hers. Okay.
Okay.
I'll, I'll, just check with whoever there at the sheriff's office you register with and say, hey, when's the last time I registered, and see what they say.
I mean, it doesn't matter when the last time I registered is though, does it? Because I register once a year.
I understand.
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Fucking bullshit, man. Fucking in this county, man. This is bullshit.